Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the luxurious world of relaxation with the Sierra Concepts Bath Pillow, designed to transform your bathing experience into a spa-like retreat. This ergonomic pillow offers maximum padding to support your neck, head, and shoulders, relieving stress and pressure from your upper body. Equipped with 6 non-slip suction cups, you can rest assured that this pillow will stay securely in place, allowing you to fully unwind without any worries. Made from soft, breathable 3D air mesh fabric, it ensures constant airflow, keeping you cool and comfortable as if you were in paradise. The Paradise Bath Pillow is versatile enough to fit any bathtub, jacuzzi, or spa, and maintaining it is a breeze. Simply rinse or machine wash and hang dry with the included hook. Experience the ultimate in bath time comfort and let the stresses of the day melt away with this new and improved bath pillow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ways to elevate your relaxation routine. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.